Good morning. So today we are going to talk about mutual funds and how to maximize the returns. So mutual fund is something very popular. So working professional like us, we don't have opportunity to look at the market day in day out. So we wanted to invest through the mutual fund, and it is safe also. Mutual fund in turn, your fund house will buy a stock for you, and your fund manager will decide which stock and when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so that is the overall idea about a mutual fund. And if you look at, around 8,000 crores are getting involved in the Indian market through mutual fund every month. But one of the problem mutual fund has, and the general opinion is, their returns are not, that much. In the sense, if you look at, mutual funds will give you anywhere between 10 to 12 percentage per year. In my experience, also same, 10 to 12 in normal scenario it will give. If you look at 3 year horizon, right, that is also not great. Maybe around 14, 11 to 14. It should have been 30 actually, right? Because 1 year it is 10, then 3 year it should be 30 around. But it's not happening. It's not happening because it's basically it is happening, but the problem is we are holding for a too long time, right? We have been told, we have been taught that buying and holding for a long time is a profitable approach. That is not correct. If you buy and hold forever, you will be zero, or it will go to the negative. So what to do instead, you need to know when to get in and when to get out. To more precise, all mutual funds will follow market trend. In the sense, if the market goes up, mutual fund value also will go up. If market comes down, automatically mutual fund value also will come down. So basically, before investing into mutual fund, we need to follow the market. If you know the trend of the market, you can go ahead and invest in mutual fund. So that is what I'm going to show in this approach. I have been doing this research for more than a 6 months. So last 3-4 years back, I figured this out. I have ran through couple of algorithm using EMA, using Fibonacci, CAN and all, and finally I figure out this is working fine, and it's working fine for me, so it should work for you as well. Let's look at that. So I'm just pulling out a Nifty 50 chart, right? So Nifty 50 is mother of all index in Indian market. If Nifty goes up, everything goes up. Nifty comes down, everything will come down. So I'm going to select weekly chart of Nifty 50, and on top of it I'm going to apply EMA, exponential moving average of 9, nothing else. Okay, so I have already applied it. So now the strategy is, you need to buy your mutual fund whenever you see a green candle crashing above EMA 9. You'll buy and you will hold. These are all support areas. It's not actually a crossover, and you will wait for a red candle which is crossing below the EMA 9. That is happening here. You will exit here. That's it. Nothing you will do. You will wait for these many weeks. You will wait, and there is a green candle here again crossing above the EMA, and you will buy here. Okay, it's a big candle. Comparing to this is a big candle, so safe to buy here. And you will hold, and you will not do anything. If you look at here, it is crosses again, so you will sell here. Then again you will have a buy signal here around September 2019, and you will hold and you will sell here. So basically what is happening is, you will buy whenever the green candle crosses above EMA 9, and you will sell when it is crossing below EMA 9. That's it. In the weekly chart, if you do that, you will be profitable in your mutual fund. I'm not worried about which mutual fund you are going to buy. Anything is fine. I personally go with this Reliance Nippon India large cap fund, and you can choose any large cap fund that will work. Let's look at the actual returns. So we got an entry around 2018 April, and we exited in September. So we made around 5,000, and my initial capital is 1 lakh. And again we got a signal around November 12, 18, and we exited around April 19, and we made 8,000 again. And around September 19 I again entered, and this year January I get out, and my overall profit is around 27,000, which is roughly 27% per year. And there are more scope to make money also in this approach, because basically what we are doing is, whenever the market is coming down, basically we are out of market and sitting in cash. You don't have to do that. Instead, you can short the market, and you can go to F&O and take a short position, or you can buy a put option. And a very safe way, if you want to look at, I mean, you can go ahead and buy gold ETF, right? Instead of equity mutual fund, you can buy gold mutual fund or ETF. Why gold? Because what happen is, when the market is coming down, right, gold price will always go up. Now the market is down, right, and if you look at gold prices all time high. The reason behind this is very simple, because lot of institutions, right, they have invested in stock market. They have more than 1000 crores and all, right. They cannot park their money in their bank account or somewhere else. They wanted to buy something. If the market is coming down, they will take the money out, and they will take some short position, not much, but they will start to invest in gold. So gold price automatically goes up. So what you can do whenever you are selling out, right, when you are exiting from your mutual fund area, for example, take it here, September 2018, instead of sitting in cash, you can go ahead and buy gold ETF. The same logic. If the green candle crosses above EMA 9, you will buy. And these are all I'll call as a support area. I'll buy again. If I have some cash, I'll try to buy again. And you can trade there as well through gold ETF, and that will give you around another 20 to 25% of return. So overall, you can easily get into 50% of returns. I mean, this is very basic approach. There are more advanced approach like Heikin-Ashi, Renko and all. If you wanted to know more, I mean, probably you can YouTube it, and you can get the strategies. But this is something I have back tested lot of time, and I have used for last 2-3 years, and it is working really fine. So hope you guys get it. I'm telling this now because the market is down now. It is just started the up move, so it is the best time to invest. That's it for now. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. Thank you.